Is Ebola an issue once it's outside in the air, and I mean, does it really live long enough that it's a real major health concern that we need to worry about major environmental cleanup efforts and incineration and things?
It's our understanding that Ebola is not airborne, airborne transmitted disease. It's not. There is some research to suggest that Ebola does not exist for a very long period of time on surfaces, on porous surfaces. Once it dries out, it is the virus is relatively inactive. And then there's other mechanisms, disinfectants that can be used to clean those areas once that occurs.
I believe you mentioned one house that needed to be cleaned.
That's correct.
What's the approximate cost of one house?
At this point in time, we're not sure what that particular cost will be. And based on some of the efforts that were done in Texas, we know the cost can be upwards in the neighborhood of $400,000. At this point in time, we don't have the cost for the cleanup that occurred in the Summit County area.
$400,000 for everything, or just one?
I believe that was total cost for Texas.
The application for this money mentioned that there were 5 companies contacted, but only one was willing to do it. Could you give us an idea of what the concerns were about the other? Was it a matter of not being able to do it?
What I can tell you is that I wasn't the one who contacted all of those companies, but some of the companies I contacted, I either was not responded to or was told that corporate decisions were made they were instructed that they would not be doing Ebola cleanup.
It was specific to Ebola?
To my understanding, that is correct, yes.